pretty good over here. Oh. Oh, fuck. What was that, I wonder? There's a trout. There's a trout. Down near that shit. I knew there had to be a trout in there. I thought there would be one right here where I'm standing, but down near those logs, just plucked him out. Oh, that's a big one. Yeah, that's the biggest trout that I've seen. It's probably gonna tear off. That's a nice fish. Big old nice rainbow crab. It's a good chunk. Probably about 16 inches. Pretty fat. Feels huge on this 2-pound test, man. Anything feels big on this. Also doesn't want it to die. You could probably do this in waders. Look at that. Yeah, he's got some shoulders. I think I just fucked up the camera. See if I can get some video of this. He's a nice fish. I mean, beautiful. Look, ah! Really pretty fish. Look at that. That's a nice fish, man. He might be 17 inches. He's got some nice fillets on him. I don't have a net or anything, so. Man, he's beautiful. There he is. Let's see if I can get him out of the water by the hook, or if he might fall off. Ah! Just wanted to get a. That's a nice fish there. Definitely the biggest trout I've seen in there. That's a good one. Oh! And there he goes. That was awesome. Nice rainbow. See if I can get any more off this jig or not. About got my limit on this thing. I got 3 trout, I think. I could have had more, but it's alright. See if any of his buddies were in there. He was right in that shit over there, right where that log is. That was a nice fish. Well worth the trip just for that one. Oh man, I just got fucking hammered in there and missed. God damn, that was a big bite. That was a big bite right there, man. I might throw some baits in this area too, because it looks good. Right here in front of this stuff is a good place to throw some baits, and up there under that tree is a good place to throw some baits. I'm just going to use this jig though for as long as I can. I think there'll probably be another trout down here somewhere. I'd like to think that. I don't know if there is, but